Precisely what we needed! What an amazing trading day! We are done here, guys! Congratulations! Hey everyone! So, what kind of trader are you? Do you prefer trying to predict price movements during sideways trend? Or do you like to play with moderate risk? Either way, you are in for a treat because in this video I am going to share the perfect combo of indicators for the trend following strategy. For those who don't know, trend following is all about buying an asset when it's on the rise and selling when it's falling. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. There are ways to almost know for sure where the price is going, and I will show you exactly how. Curious? Let's dive in! Want to make consistent profits in trading? Ready to put in the time, effort and learn the theory behind it? Then subscribe to my channel and never miss a video. I only share strategies that have been tested by time and by me personally. Now, let's go to trading. Alright, let's get started. First, switch your chart to candles and set the time frame to 15 seconds with a 60-second trade expiration. And today we are trading with $700. Let's do this. We will be using two indicators, moving average and MACD. Yes. First, let's configure the MA. Set the period to 50. Style to 3px and pick a nice bright yellow color. Once we add some currency pairs, we'll be ready to trade. Okay, and let's open a trade here. We can see that we are above zero on the MACD. We've had an upward movement and now we've touched the moving average. Logically, I would say the price will continue going up from here. Let's watch. Oh no, so close! Oh, unfortunately this trade is lost. No big deal, we are about to cover it with 2 more trades. And now we are opening 2 trades to cover that loss. MACD is still above zero. You can see it on the chart. And we just hit the moving average and there's been upward movement. So I'm guessing the price will rise. Again from this point. Let's see how it plays out on the chart. Wow! There it is! Yeah! Perfect! Both trades closed at profit! Amazing! Let's keep going and find a couple more juicy trades. Let's stop here for a sec. We've got a downward trend here. Okay. We've already crossed the moving average and MACD is below zero, which tells us the price is likely to keep dropping. Let's see. Alright, let's take a look. Yes! That's what I'm talking about! It got profit! That's amazing! Determining a trend is super simple. If the line is going up, it's an upward trend. If the line is going down, it's a downward trend. Use it to your advantage. Let's open a short position. We were below zero on MACD, so I'm expecting the price to drop. And what do you think, guys? Leave the comment below. Let's watch and see what happens. I'm feeling confident because this combo of indicator is just perfect for trend following. How about we test it? Yes! Great! Great, it's a profit. Let's keep going. In my Telegram, I break down strategies in detail and share my personal trading experience tips that can help you boost your earnings. Subscribe and let's keep going. And now for the grand final. We are seeing a downward movement. MACD is below zero. There is only one day for this to unfold. I'm predicting that the price should fall down from this point. And what do you think, guys? Let's check the chart. So here we go. Nice! Boom! Precisely what we needed! What an amazing trading day! We are done here, guys! Congratulations! Now that was a super productive day. I think you see now why the trend following strategy is known as one of the most effective out there. The goal is simple. Minimize losses while keeping the entry points quick and easy to find. And that's exactly what we need, isn't it? So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye bye!